Okay, so what we learned about today is log properties. Log properties, first we're going to try doing what is log of 4 plus log of 2. And that's going to equal this. Then we will try, again, another one, log 9 plus log 3. And that will equal, now we'll try what log of 8 is and what log of 27 is. And as you can see, the log of the 4 plus 2, or log plus 2, is the same as log 8. And the log of 9 plus the log of 3 is the same as log of 27. And that is what we are going to be calling the addition property. And what that means is that if you have the log of some number plus the log of another number, that's going to equal the log of those two numbers multiplied together. Next, we're going to try these same things, but with a minus. And that will equal that. Then we will try the log of 2 and the log of 3. So as you can see, the log of 4 minus the log of 2 equals the log of 2. And the log of 9 minus the log of 3 equals the log of 3. And that's going to be what we call the subtraction property. And the subtraction property is going to say, if you have the log of some number minus the log of another number, that's going to equal the log of the first number divided by the second number. And that is what you need to remember for the addition and subtraction properties. Now we'll try out a couple of problems. Okay, so we will be solving this problem. We have that same base, and we are adding, which means that we will multiply what's on the inside. So log of 5, 4x squared times 9 equals 4. When we combine that together, we have log of 5, 36x squared equals 4. We can do that snail method, and we'll have 5 to the 4th equals 36x squared. 5 to the 4th is going to be 625. We'll divide by 36 for both sides. And you can just leave it as that. And we'll just take the square root of both. And we'll have x equals plus or minus the square root of 625 over 36. And you can go ahead and leave that as a fraction. I'm not going to have you guys change that. We will work on some more of these problems tomorrow. But again, the main thing today is just remembering addition and subtraction properties. Have a good night. See you guys tomorrow.